Are you ready to transform your home into the ultimate living space? From the living room to the kitchen, from the bedroom to the bathroom, we're going to explore some epic design ideas that will make your home the envy of the neighborhood. Hello and welcome to Design Burst. Here we'll explore innovative concepts, practical design tips, and the latest trends. This video is a taste of what's to come. In our upcoming series, we'll delve deeper into each room, providing you with comprehensive guides and practical tips to transform your spaces. Whether you're a seasoned interior designer or a homeowner looking to infuse a personal touch into your home, our series will equip you with the knowledge and inspiration you need. Let's get started. Let's begin with the living room, often considered the heart of the home. This is where we entertain guests, unwind after a long day, and spend quality time with our loved ones. To create a warm and inviting atmosphere, consider incorporating a mix of textures and materials. A plush rug, a leather sofa, and a wooden coffee table can create a rich, layered look. Add in some soft cushions and throws for extra comfort and visual interest. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. A combination of overhead, task, and accent lighting can dramatically change the atmosphere of the room. Overhead lighting provides general illumination. Task lighting is perfect for reading or other focused activities, and accent lighting can highlight specific features or areas in the room. Don't forget about plants. They can bring a touch of nature indoors and improve air quality. Next, let's move on to the dining area. The dining room is more than just a place to eat. It's a space for conversation, celebration, and connection. A large, sturdy table is a must, but don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and materials. Round tables can create a more intimate dining experience, while rectangular tables can accommodate larger gatherings. Pair your table with comfortable chairs that invite guests to linger. Add a statement chandelier for a touch of elegance. Consider the scale and proportion of your dining set with the room. Wall decor can enhance the dining experience. The kitchen, often referred to as the heart of the home, is a place of creativity and nourishment. When designing your kitchen, functionality should be your top priority. Consider the work triangle, the optimal distance between your stove, sink, and refrigerator. This can make cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Open shelving can add a modern touch and provide easy access to your dishes and cookware. For a pop of color, consider a vibrant backsplash or colorful appliances. A kitchen island can provide additional workspace and storage, and can also serve as a casual dining area. Don't forget about lighting in the kitchen. Good task lighting is essential for safe and efficient cooking. Pendant lights over the island or recessed lighting under the cabinets can provide both function and style. Now let's talk about the bedroom. This is your personal sanctuary, a place for rest and relaxation. Start with a quality mattress and invest in soft, comfortable bedding. Choose a calming color palette. Soft blues, greens, and neutrals can create a serene environment. For storage, consider built-in wardrobes or under-bed storage solutions. A well-organized bedroom can contribute to a restful night's sleep. A bedside table is a must for keeping essentials like a lamp, alarm clock, and a book within reach. And don't forget about lighting. A bedside lamp with a dimmer switch can provide the perfect light for reading before bed. Consider adding ambient lighting for a soft glow and accent lighting to highlight artwork or other features. Window treatments are another important aspect of bedroom design. They can provide privacy, control light, and contribute to the overall aesthetic of the room. Choose curtains, blinds, or shades that complement your color scheme and style. Finally, the bathroom or comfort room. This space should be both functional and relaxing. A well-planned layout is key. Make sure there's enough space for the essentials: a sink, toilet, and shower or bath. For a spa-like feel, consider a freestanding tub or a rain shower head. Storage is also important in a bathroom. Consider built-in shelves or a vanity with plenty of storage space. And for a touch of luxury, consider heated floors or a towel warmer. Tiles can set the tone for your bathroom. They come in a wide range of colors, patterns, and materials. Choose tiles that are durable and easy to clean. A large mirror can make the bathroom feel more spacious and reflect light around the room. Don't forget about lighting in the bathroom. A combination of task, ambient, and accent lighting can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Task lighting is essential around the mirror for grooming, while ambient lighting can create a relaxing environment for a bath. In conclusion, designing your home is a personal journey. It's about creating a space that reflects your style, meets your needs, and makes you feel at home. Don't be afraid to experiment, take risks, and most importantly, have fun with it. Your home is a reflection of you. Remember, these are just ideas and guidelines. The most important thing is that your home feels comfortable to you. Don't be afraid to break the rules and create a space that truly feels like home. Whether you're starting from scratch or simply looking to refresh your current space, these tips and ideas can help guide you on your interior design journey. If you're inspired by the designs we've showcased today and want to bring a similar style to your own space, I've got you covered. I've put together a list links in the description below for products that capture the essence of the styles we've discussed.